Hi, good morning. I hope you're having a good day so far. Welcome to week 2, video 2 of our being intentional with social media. So today I want to focus on how to make graphics using things like Canva and apps like WordSwag, Photo5, PicCollage, and Over. Today I'm going to kind of dive into what Canva is. If you've never heard of Canva, go to canva.com and create a free account. Free is the best. You can upgrade, but I don't recommend it because it's not necessary. I create all of my graphics using the free account and they all turn out pretty darn good. So I want to make this kind of quick, so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my Canva. And as you can see, let me delete all of these because I don't know why they all popped up. All right, so this is what Canva looks like. You have your designs over here, down here, kind of in the middle. If you click on them, it's just basically showing you the size of what it will look like. So if you want to create, I don't know what I just clicked on. I guess a graphic image. Okay, so here's one that I was working on. So we'll just delete it all real quick and I will show you what I did. I was going to shout myself out so I could show you kind of how it all works. This was a social media image. It's not anything special. It just looks like it's a square, but it's one that people normally see when they're scrolling on Facebook. That size of an image, a social media image. So here over in the graphics, I have photos, you have templates, photos, graphics. These are a lot of free stuff, but there's a lot of stuff in here that would cost money. I do not use those because it's not necessary. I can create an amazing graphic without using those. We have background, we have text. I will recommend that if you're creating graphics, not only figure out what colors you love and what shapes you love and what style you love, but also figure out what fonts you love. I keep looking over here because that's where I'm at. But figure out what fonts you love. I would recommend at least 3 fonts and no more than 3. You could do less than 3, but no more than 3, and do more than 1. I pick like a script font. I pick a really clean font, and then I kind of pick a fun font. So you can kind of mess around with that and find which fonts you love, and I'll show you which ones I love. And then we have, like I said, background, uploads from here. You can upload an image from your computer. You can download images from the Workstation Marketing tab. Don't do any licensed product photos. No Winnie the Pooh, no Star Wars, Marvel, nothing like that, no Disney, because we can't edit or alter those images. So, but you can download photos of yourself. Folders, I have not done anything with folders. But I'm going to create a quick graphic. Let's go back to graphics. I really like kind of these, I don't know, parallel lines, whatever they are. I'm going to pretend to shout myself out for earning level 2 of the slingshot incentive, we'll say. I always find myself gravitating towards colors like teal or mint blue, things like that. So I'm going to do that with this one. And then I also like this little paintbrush stroke because I think it looks really cool too. And I'll show you some of the other images I've created, but I don't want to keep you too long. So let's put this guy up here. And I'm going to change the colors of that one too. Let's see. You can do whatever you like. It is totally up to you. And that is what is amazing about this website, is that it kind of allows you to be super creative and kind of figure out what you like, let you play around with it. We'll do that color and then maybe change this one. Oh, actually, I just did that wrong. That's okay. I don't know. You can do whatever colors you like. I'm going to do that because I think that looks pretty decent. I'm going to slap my photo on there. So if you're shouting out a teammate, go to their Facebook and snag a profile picture or something, and you can just put it right on here. I like this circle. This is a frame. So if you go down here, there's grids, there are frames, there's shapes, there's gradients, there's lines. I really like arrows too, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's pretend to shout me out. Throw my picture in there. I'm going to add a text. Congrats on earning. And I'm going to do actually, sorry. I lately have been liking, oh, actually, let's do Antonio. I like that one. Congrats on earning, and then I'm going to just copy paste that because it's easy. I'm going to do level 2, and I'm going to do this from a different font. So I like this Lemon Tuesday font. Congrats on earning level 2. I don't know where I want to put it. Of our slingshot incentive. So I might just do this like this. Congrats on earning level 2 of our slingshot incentive or something. You know, that doesn't look right to me, but you can make it however you want. Actually, we'll do this. And then I'm going to slide this guy right in there. Congrats on earning level 2 of our slingshot incentive. Yay! And then I want to go in here, and I love messing around with arrows. So nope, not in there in graphics. Let's type arrow. And I'm going to do this little cute one. And it does say free. I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to make it black. So it's actually, we'll keep it white. I think that'll kind of break up the colors a bit and tie in the white. Make it smaller. So you can keep it white. Maybe it'll look better black. Sometimes I'm indecisive. So congrats on earning level 2 of our slingshot incentive. Yay! So that's just a fun graphic. You can do whatever you want. This was super quick. I usually spend a lot more time on graphics, and I'll just show you a few personal ones that I've made, and then I hope that you can just take this website and get super creative. This is my current VIP page cover. I just created this yesterday because I revamped it from what it was. As you can see, I have the teal, I have the salmon color. I love the salmon color. I have my Lemon Tuesday font. This one is Aileron Regular. I like that one as well. And I have my face on there. You always want to put your face on graphics if you can, unless you're shouting a teammate out, then you want their face on it because you want to draw attention to them. I have made, let's see, this is my catalog label. I made that through here. Jilly Sue, it's inspired by Jilly Sue. She is a consultant. I have my Lemon Tuesday font. This font is Aileron Regular, and this one is Crushed. So Crushed is my third one. I didn't use any other fonts, just 3. I picked 3 different fonts, and I kind of switched it up a bit. I have some graphics. This is a graphic back here, and I could change that color. I just really wanted, I don't have any teal in this one. Something doesn't look right to me with it, so I might go back and throw some in there. And then I'll show you my thank you card as well. Here it is. And if you're going to take any of these and send them to Vistaprint to print out, I highly suggest you customizing the dimensions. If you're going to print out a 4x6, then create a graphic that is like 8x12 or 12x18 or something. That way when you shrink it down to a 4x6, it's going to be really clear. You don't want it to be blurry. You want it to look professional. I don't have, I could run and go grab mine. That's okay though. So this is my thank you. I have my Lemon Tuesday. This is the Antonio Light. I like that as well. Sometimes I switch it up, but I always stick with the Lemon Tuesday as my kind of script font. I really like that one. And I have my pictures over here. I have my teal or mint blue color that I like. So you can just play around with what colors you like, what fonts you like. And you can customize dimensions over here to the right, custom dimensions. If I wanted to do the 4x6, I would type inches. I'd type for width 12, and then for height 8, and then create new design, and there you go. And then you have all of your options over here. So just play around with it, explore it, upload photos, download photos from the workstation, and then slap your faces on those, or create a few other apps include Pic Collage. So if you take a bunch of photos that you take of your own personal product maybe, and you throw them in Pic Collage, and then you slap your face on that, that's a really cute way to make a graphic, and you can put that on Facebook and be like, which one is your favorite? What one would you put in your house? Or if you could have any of these for free, which one would you choose? And they're pictures of your own personal warmers, or you can take pictures from the workstation and do the same thing with that and slap your face on there, put your website on there. Some other apps include, let's see, I wrote them down. Oh, Photify. I know there is a paid version through Scentsy. I don't use that one because I really like Canva, so I don't need necessarily Photify, but some people use it and they love it, so that if that's your thing, then by all means go ahead and do it. Pic Collage, I've already mentioned that one. Let me see, I will find it really quick for you. So it looks like this. Get started. So I can go to grids, or you can do freestyle, and can pick a few pictures. We'll just say, I don't know, I'm just going to pick a few random ones. I picked 5 pictures. Click on there, and look, it makes it into a nice little grid, and you can adjust the background, the size, the layout. There's also Over. Over is another app, and it's free. So Pic Collage is free, Over is free. So this is Over. And you can do kind of the same thing with this one. There's templates. You can use that one. One of my favorites is WordSwag. And that one is a paid app. It's $4.99, I believe. Let me see if it'll pop up. WordSwag. This one is a really cool one because you can use your own personal images, or you can use the free images that they have. And that's my mother-in-law. But they have a lot of free images that you can use, and I just do that. So free photos, and you can go through these and pick one to use and add some words onto it. You can go up here and type in a particular photo that you're looking for. That's a really good one. So if you're taking notes, canva.com is a website. WordSwag is an app, and I think it's $4.99, but I could be wrong. Photify, Pic Collage, and Over, and those are the ones that I have written down, but there could be others. But those are great to get you started, and even if you use 1 or 2 of those, that's perfect. That's amazing. So I hope that you learned something today. If you're not huge on making graphics, I hope that you can go and play around with it and try to make a few of your own using your inventory of self, using your circle, figure out what colors you like, what shapes you like, things like that, and apply it to your graphics. So your homework today, and you have until Sunday to do that, is to watch this live, use canva.com, create an account, and then create 2 graphics, any kind of graphics for your business, and then post them in the homework. And then also your homework is to use a different app of some sort to create a shout out image, whether it's for one of your teammates. You can do it for yourself if you want, just as an example, but use another app to create a shout out image of some type, and then use Canva to create 2 images for your business. So Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.